I bring that to my table.
The sound of real connection isn't a notification pin. It's this. You know, I was preparing ingredients for this honey pork stir fry the other day when I came across something that just stopped me in my track. A group of child psychiatrists were discussing what they consider the single most damaging thing that we're doing to our kids right now. Want to guess what it is? Well, here's the hint. It's probably in your hand right now. While I start chopping these vegetables for the stir fry, let me tell you what they said. According to these doctors, giving children smartphones at any early age is essentially robbing them of their childhood. Strong words, right? Here's why they might be right. I can't help but think about how different childhood looks today compared to when we were kids. I mean, I remember my parents used to worry all the time about me watching too much TVs. I swear to goodness. They used to say, oh, you're going to get square eyes. You're never going to have any imagination. But here's the thing. Phones are fundamentally different than TV. They're designed to be addictive. Every notification, every new video, every new message that comes out, it's all engineered to keep our kids hooked. The average child now spends over 7 hours a day staring at a screen. 7 hours. Can you imagine what that really is? That's more time than they spend with their families, more time that they spend outdoors, more time than they spend doing literally anything else except sleeping. And the crazy thing is, we only get childhood one time. They only get childhood one time. Now, studies show that children who spend more time on phones spend less time in physical activity, less time developing social skills, less time learning to navigate real-world challenges. And I swear, it's true. I look at my guy. He would rather sit down in front of a phone instead of going out. I have to literally drag him outside so we can play. You know what else we could give our kids instead of the phone? We could give them time. We could give them time in a playground, in a park, in the backyard. Yet, the average American child now spends less than 30 minutes per day in unstructured outdoor play. Now, another thing that we've learned, at least in my household, instead of using our phones, is to do stuff together. We cook together. We play board games together. We go on a bike ride. We do just simple stuff, and it's real, it's tangible, and that's the thing that we need to bring our kids together to family, to avoid using the phone. For me, I'm not ready to hand him a device that could fundamentally alter his development. What I want to do is be there for him, because when we engage the way we do, it engages his senses, it teaches him patience, it builds confidence, it creates memory, and again, at the end of the day, it brings people together. No phone can do that. So think about it. When your child asks you for more screen time, give them an alternative. Do it together. Now, it's time to eat. Later.